Hello everyone, welcome to VJ Chemistry. In class, na electrochemistry Nernst equation, Ecell calculation, and equilibrium constant. Okay. First one, what is the Nernst equation? Very important. Nernst equation. Nernst equation. Equation. Please note, it is a relation between. It is a relation. The relation between Ecell, that is called cell potential. Cell potential and concentration of species, concentration of ions, species. Okay, that is called what? Nernst equation. Okay, now Nernst equation generally E cell equal to the E naught cell, okay, minus 0.0591 by n into log q. Okay, this is Nernst equation. Please note, this is Nernst equation, right? What is the formula? Okay, E cell is equal to E cell is equal to what? The E naught cell minus 0.05 n by log k. Okay, now what is n? Number of electron transferred. Number of electron involved in the reaction. Involved in the cell reaction. Cell reaction. Okay, what is E naught cell standard potential? What is E naught cell? The standard cell potential. Cell potential. Listen, please note. Okay, when E cell and E naught cell become equal now, listen. Whenever the K value, okay, you use initial Q. Okay, what is Q? Reaction quotient. Okay, listen. If the Q value equal to 1, it means what? The log 1 is equal to 0. That means this full quantity, this quantity becomes 0, right? Therefore, for listen, when Q value is 1, okay, because log 1 is 0. This condition, okay, the E cell, okay, equal to what? Equal to E naught cell. Yes or no? Suppose if the Q is not equal to 1, okay, therefore what? That case, the E cell is not equal to E naught cell. Okay, now what is the main factor? The Q. Okay, then how to find the Q value? Listen, very simple. Another cell reaction, for example, okay, by Z10 solid 2 gives Z10 2 plus aqueous plus 2 electron. This is called what? This is oxidation. This is oxidation cell potential. Okay, this is oxidation cell potential. Okay, how to write the Q value? Is very simple writing. What is Q value is equal to the product by reactant. Okay, listen, very important. Okay, the pure solid and pure liquid. Okay, the concentration of pure liquid and concentration pure is equal to 1. Okay, listen. Suppose they give like aqueous. Okay, aqueous is not pure liquid, right? Therefore, aqueous we have to put the specific value. Okay, now listen. During writing the Q value, you don't mention the electrons. Okay, now what is the Q for this? This is a product, is reactant, right? Therefore, Q is equal to, okay, the Z10 2 plus is aqueous by what? Z10 solid, right? Z10 solid. What is solid? Pure solid 1, right? That is Q is equal to Z10 2 plus. Now apply this Q value to the Nernst equation. Now write the Nernst equation oxidation cell potential. What is the formula? E cell is equal to, okay, the E naught cell minus 0.059 by n. How many electron? 2 electron. 2 into log Z10 2 plus. Okay, now this is what the Nernst equation for oxidation cell potential. Okay, now in this case, please understand when Z10 2 plus value, okay, positive mean, okay, what going to happen? The E cell value is less than what? Less than E naught cell, right? Sorry. E cell value is decreases. Why decreases? Because what? This quantity, this listen. If in E cell 0.50, yeah. If log Z2 plus 1 or 2 log to 0.30, we can multiply with this factor, right? Therefore, this E cell value decreases, right? Similarly, now Z10 2 plus concentration, if negative are okay, 10 power minus 1 okay, that case what? The E cell value increases. Yes or no? This is Nernst equation. What is Nernst equation? Now the concentration relation between and the E cell and the concentration. Okay, over cell reaction on the concentration change. Whatever the cell potential we can find out the using what? Nernst equation. Okay, this is very important. Okay, Now going to the famous Nernst equation, that is called what? Cell reaction, galvanic cell. What is galvanic cell? The Zn solid plus Cu 2 plus aqueous 2 gives Zn 2 plus aqueous plus Cu solid. But listen, in this reaction, zinc undergo oxidation, right? This undergo oxidation. Copper undergo reduction. This is a reduction. This is a reduction. Okay. Please note, all cell reaction reduction, right? How to write the Q value for this reaction? Q is equal to, okay, this is copper, one value one become 1, right? Therefore, Zn 2 plus, okay, by what? Cu 2 plus, because this is solid on 0, 1, right? Yes or no? Now, what is the next equation for this equation? This cell reaction, and Ecell is equal to, and E naught cell minus 0.0591 by 2 electron log Zn 2 plus by Cu 2 plus. Okay. Now in this case, listen, I give the first case. Tell me anyone. Suppose if the Zn 2 plus concentration, okay, is greater than Cu 2 plus concentration. Now what about the Ecell value? Decreases, right? Why decreases? Because this log term become positive, right? Yes or no? The first case. And second case, if the Cu 2 plus value is greater than and Zn 2 plus. In this case, log negative value become negative, right? Therefore, negative positive, I know. The Ecell value, the Zn cell value increase. Okay, this one application assumption is that for what type of question asked in exam? Now they will give the listen every then how they will ask the question now? They give the cell reaction code today. They will ask what? They will ask the Ecell value. Okay, now how to find E naught cell? Okay, I will give the tricks. Okay, please note. E naught cell. This is very important. E naught cell value. How to find it? For example, okay, E naught cell Zn 2 plus become Zn. This value around minus 0.74 volt. Okay, E naught value of Cu2 plus and Cu. This value plus around 0.34. Okay, 376 34 volt. Okay. Now they will ask what? The E naught cell value. E naught cell value. Okay. What is the formula? Please note. The E naught cell is equal to ER minus EL. Okay. R na right, L na left. Listen, in cell reaction, right side, oxidation will take place. So right side on the reduction will take place. Reduction will take place. That is called cathode. Okay. Left la bata oxidation will take place. Oxidation will take place. That is called anode. Okay, please note. Very, very important. Please note. Very important point. Okay, just wait. Listen. இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் பாயிண்ட். ஓகேவா? இப்ப கொஸ்டின்ல வந்து ஒன்னு கூட SRP. வாட் இஸ் SRP அப்படின்னா ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ரிடக்ஷன் பொட்டன்ஷியல். ஓகே, SRP always they give the SRP value தான் கொடுப்பாங்கன்னா then using seeing the SRP value we can find out which is under oxidation, which is under reduction. Okay, please note, more negative E cell value in our cell value undergo oxidation. It means left side. Okay, அதே மாதிரி more positive E cell value undergo reduction. It is a right side. We got the point. Listen, suppose in exam, okay, they give the two negative value. For example, okay, the X is Y. Okay, this value is minus 0.74. This value minus 0.80. Which is more negative? Y is minus 0.80, right? Because Y is minus 0.80, right? Therefore, Y is undergo oxidation. Okay, and X undergo reduction. You got the point. If you see the SRP value, which is a more negative value, it undergo oxidation, and less negative undergo reduction. Suppose, okay, this is A and B. This value plus 0.74, this is plus 0.34. Okay, suppose the exam they will give two positive value. Okay, they give the two positive value. Listen, less positive value undergo oxidation or more positive undergo reduction. Okay, this is simple tricks. Okay, now apply the same formula to this galvanic cell formula. Okay, galvanic cell reaction. Now what is zinc value? What is zinc value? Minus 0.76. What is copper value? Plus 0.34. Therefore, this zinc having more negative value. This undergo oxidation and this undergo reduction. Oxidation na left, reduction na right. Now what is Ecell formula? ER minus EL, right? What is right side? Plus 0.34 and minus 0.34. 76. And what is E cell value? Plus 1.10 volt. Okay, the simple way you can find out. Listen, just look just look the E cell value, which is more negative, it undergo oxidation, which is less negative, it undergo reduction. Okay, if the both values become negative now, which is more negative oxidation, less negative reduction. Otherwise, both are positive value now, less positive value undergo oxidation, or more positive value undergo reduction. Okay, listen. Suppose, listen, if substance undergo oxidation, okay, it acts as for oxygen reducing agent. If substance undergo reduction, it acts as for oxidation. It's a common fact, right? This is the most important point about what the Nernst equation or calculation of E cell. Okay, suppose for example, okay, they give this like, for example, they give the SOP. SOP. What is SOP? Is equal to standard reaction minus or minus SRP. Example SOP கொடுத்தானா, okay, we have to convert. For example, okay, இப்போ வந்து CU give CU2 plus the value கொடுத்துருவான் E cell value minus 0.34 கொடுத்துருவான். Now what is this value? E cell is equal to CU2 plus becomes CU, that is plus 0.34. Now how I find out oxidation? Now only CU becomes CU2 plus oxidation, right? And CU2 plus becomes CU reduction, right? I mean, in the exam they give the SOP கொடுத்தானா, then how to find the SRP? Just put the minus. Okay, this is very basic things. Okay, now listen. Now I'm going to give you the relation between what and E cell and by E cell and delta G. Okay, this is a basic formula. I think you learn in plus 2 also, right? Now what is the formula? Please. This is a relation between, very important. This is a relation between thermodynamic quantity, thermodynamic parameter and E cell value, E cell potential. Okay, I give the direct formula. Please note. Okay, there will delta H, delta G formula, and delta H and delta S. Okay, first formula, please. Very important. No, delta G is very important for exam point of view. Okay, delta G is equal to minus NF E cell, okay, or delta G naught is equal to minus NF and E cell value. Now what is N? Again, number of electron involved cell reaction. Number of electron involved cell reaction. What is F? That is Faraday. What is Faraday? 96500 coulomb. Okay, the approximate value. Okay, this is a formula for what? The delta G calculation. Okay, please note. Delta G so minus NF. Okay, this is most important. Okay, formula for our CUET exam point of view. Now what is delta H? Delta H. Please note the formula. Okay, what is delta H formula? That is NF. Okay, please note. And T and dou E by and dou T and constant pressure. Okay, and minus cell potential. This is a formula. Now what is dou E by and dou T and pressure is called what? Okay, please note. This is a temperature coefficient. This is a temperature coefficient. Okay, please note. Very important. Okay, listen. How can we derive this formula na? From this one? Okay, delta G is equal to and delta H minus T delta S, right? Using this formula, I can derive what? Delta H value. Okay. Now, what about the delta S formula? Very important, please note. Delta S. Third one. Just wait. Okay. Delta S is equal to NF into, okay, dou E by dou T and what? Pressure. Okay, this was delta. Yes, okay. This three formulas very important. Our exam point of view, and delta G is equal to minus NF here. This formula is very important in our CUET exam point of view. Okay, it can be asked for delta H also, okay, and delta S also can be asked in exam. Okay. Now I'm going to find out what? Find out the equilibrium class. Okay, how to find out the equilibrium class? Very important. Okay, using this equation again. Simple. Sorry. Write the Nernst equation first. The E cell is equal to the E naught cell minus 0.0591 N into log Q. Right? Log Q. Listen. Wait a minute. Okay, I will give you one more formula. Listen. Actually, what is Nernst equation? Please note. This is the shortcuts. Okay, general pathina. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 or T by NF into log Q. This is 2.303 303 or gas constant, okay, 8.314. Temperature on 25 degrees Celsius, 293 by F. This value around what? 0.059. That's apply பண்ணிருக்கோம். சில எக்ஸாம்ல 0.06 எடுத்துக்கோம் based on the questions. Okay, 0.059 போடல 0.06 same answer தான். Okay, listen. இப்போ now listen. If the condition, what is the condition we given now? We're going to find out what? The equilibrium constant, right? Now at equilibrium, okay, delta G becomes 0. Please note. Delta G becomes 0. It means what? The Ecell value also becomes 0. Okay, and Q become K equilibrium. At the equilibrium condition. Okay, now apply the formula. Very simple. Now Ecell is equal to 0 and E naught cell and minus 0.0591 by n into log K equilibrium, right? Okay, now derive the formula. We need log K equilibrium, right? Now what is going to happen? Listen, very simple. Therefore E naught cell is equal to plus 0.0591 into n, then log K equilibrium. Therefore the log K equilibrium is equal to the Ecell into n divided by and 0.059. This is what? The K equilibrium formula. Listen, example they will two type of question. One is what? They will ask the question option, but the option will be 10 power or 1.1. Okay, listen. For K equilibrium, what is simple? Anti-log. Okay, and Ecell into n by 0.059. Okay, what is other way? K equilibrium 10 power. That is E naught cell into n by 0.059. Okay, listen. Either exam they will ask, listen, if the option will be 10 power, now you have to take 10 power. Okay, the option will be 1.5, 10 power 2 and 2.3. So they give some before the 10 power. They will give some value. Now we have to should take anti-log. Okay, and future I will teach how to take anti-log without calculator. Okay, I have the excellent trick, and future during the question paper discussion I will discuss. Okay, how to take the anti-log. Okay, this part we will discuss later. Okay, this is about the day 2 classes. Okay, listen, what are the important formula? Please note, first formula is Nernst equation. We have to know the basic information, right? Listen, example they will ask some theory question also, right? This concentration increases, what about the Ecell reaction? Okay, they will ask the question based on theory also. Okay, then I go with what? Next I go with the Ecell calculation. Okay, how to find out the Ecell value? In the exam they will give the 4 E naught cell value, which they asking the arrange the increase and decrease in order of oxidation reducing agent. At the same time, what that they will ask for find out the E naught cell value. Okay, next I go with the calculation of delta G and delta S and delta S, and finally I find out what the equilibrium constant. Okay, this about what the day 2 class. I hope understand. I will upload the assignment. Okay, listen, whenever you study physical chemistry, okay, you must solve the problem. Okay, the problem first you have to listen. For exam point of view, okay, many students only doing the problem, right? Listen, before enter to the problem, okay, we have to understand concept very clearly. Okay, if you understand the concept very clearly, we solve the problem very easy. Please understand. Okay, always try to understand the concept plus before enter to the question discussion. Okay, upper concept, if you understand the concept well, we can solve the question one in easier manner. Okay, I hope you understand the concept, and future I will discuss for assignment. I will upload the assignment in description. You can download the assignment. You try, and next class I will discuss the question. Okay, and Tata, bye bye, take care, see you.